Attention all who are not founders in OnPassive. The marketing campaigns for all founders will begin very soon. Why is that an amazing event? That starts the process of monetizing those who are founders. The wallets embedded into each founder's position will start receiving commissions from the sale of physical products of OnPassive. That is a big deal. OnPassive's automatic system will do the work for all who are founders. OnPassive is going to blow the minds of the unbelievers. Those who sit on the sidelines watching things happen and acting when it was too late. Those who said that OnPassive was too good to be true, so it is not real. Those are the people who will be devastated when OnPassive opens for business very soon. These are the same types of unbelievers who said that Amazon would be no more than an online bookseller. For those who thought like that, how did it turn out? They missed out on becoming a significant part of this Amazon giant. OnPassive is going to cause more heartaches for the many who say that no way is OnPassive going to work. How sad it is going to be when the founder's position in OnPassive closes when OnPassive starts selling physical products. But how can that be happening if OnPassive is not real? You were listening to the wrong people who knew nothing about OnPassive. What a bitter pill to swallow, but a taste of honey for those who acted and became founders in OnPassive. The founder's position in OnPassive is a cherished position. Those who are founders have made the best decision of their financial lives. OnPassive was not created for the heavy hitters, it was designed for the newbies, those who cannot recruit, those who are technically challenged, those who can't sell anything, those who are shy, introverted, afraid to talk to people, those with low self-esteem. None of that matters, because OnPassive will do all the work for them. It is totally automated. All a person has to do is just get in and ride the wave of OnPassive. OnPassive will do the rest for them. How hard is that to do? Even when OnPassive opens for business, those who will not be able to be founders, all is not lost. They will benefit by being customers and resellers of OnPassive's superior digital, artificial intelligence, and machine learning products. OnPassive will save them money and make them money. But the money will never be equal to the life-changing and generational changing money that founders will make. That is the truth. The loving and sharing hearts of OnPassive founders will share their blessings to help the rest benefit from OnPassive. Just think, all of this started with one man's vision. The vision of Mr. Mufareh.